I'm like shaking right now.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm nervous about this.
What is it? I mean, what kind of pepper is it?
It's the Reaper pepper.
The what pepper?
Reaper.
Reaper?
Reaper.
Oh.
You're standing in front of the camera.
Oh yeah.
Oh, my bad. I didn't know you were
We're
recording.
gonna open that up with your. Oh yeah, I guess we could just open it like this. I need it too.
There's just one in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm actually pulling mine out so I can show the camera and stuff.
All right, there's mine. Mine's broke, so.
Is it?
Yeah.
I am shaking so bad right now.
Are you?
Yeah.
Should I be nervous?
Oh jeez, I didn't break mine. Okay, hold on.
Read the thing on the back page.
Okay, there it is. All right, Johnny.
Cheers.
Here's we got. Just eat the whole thing.
Ready?
Oh yeah. That's hot, quick. That's hot pretty quick.
Mm-hmm.
So far I'm okay. All right. Wow. It's hot, but it doesn't seem okay. It is getting. I think it's getting progressively worse.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's definitely hot.
I swallowed the whole thing. It tasted like crap.
It tastes like.
Wow.
We're probably a minute in.
Yeah, we'll say.
We'll go to like 9 minutes.
What, does it take
Oh
a
my
while
gosh.
to like catch up to you, or
All right, ask your dad any question.
how are you guys feeling?
It's definitely hot.
I'm getting pretty bad.
I don't know if I'm going to go 10 minutes.
I don't know if I want to go 10 minutes.
Your eyes look red. Like
Yep.
they're watery.
Are my eyes red?
They just look glazed.
I probably like that all the time.
Holy cow. That is really bad.
Yeah, it's hot. I'm not shaking, but I'm hot.
I'm a
You
little bit.
sweating? No.
No sweat yet. Holy cow, I can feel it come out of my ears or something.
Your ears are red.
Yeah.
We'll go to 9 minutes because we're probably about a minute in before I hit the timer.
Did you order this online? Or
Uh-huh.
do you want a prize for it?
No. It's good to say you've done it.
It's just for fun.
Holy cow. It's not getting any better. It's actually still getting worse for me.
It's pretty hot.
Is it getting worse for you?
You don't even look like your face, though.
Yeah, no, you look fine.
I'm not fine. I'm hot.
On a scale of, is this the worst you've had, or have you had worse?
It's hotter than the wings we had.
This is the hottest thing I've ever had.
Really?
Oh yeah, this beats the
That's
ghost pepper.
probably, that's probably the hottest thing I've ever had.
This is a heavy cake. It's not hot.
I love that cake right now.
Yeah, that cake is... I'm not a cake eater.
I would tear into that cake. I'm starting to cry now.
I'm going to have probably a piece of cake
The tears are starting to kick in.
after the time's up.
Yeah, the
It
tears.
has a lot of icing on it.
I more need something to drink just for the wash it down effect more than to get rid of the hot stuff effect, you know?
Cheers, guys.
Holy cow.
And another,
We've done about 3.5 minutes.
You have to send me the video. Yeah, we're 3.5 minutes.
I'll do that. Oh my gosh. I'm leaking out of everything right now.
Well, it's pretty hot.
It's really hot. Ugh.
Bobby's crying.
Dude, I need like...
My mouth is numb.
my mouth is definitely numb. Ugh. My ears are starting to ring.
Run?
My ears always ring, so...
Oh, I thought you said run. I was like, ew.
Holy cow. We are 4 minutes in. Yeah.
Yeah, 4 minutes. I started a minute late.
It's
4
so
minutes.
bad.
And it's hot. I would rate this as pretty damn hot.
Dude, this is absolutely the hottest thing I've ever eaten.
It's hot. Did you know I fake ate
It's
my
not
chip?
going down.
I'm just kidding.
Huh?
I was just going to tell Bobby that I fake ate my chip.
Yeah.
You guys should lick the inside of the bag.
No, I'm not doing that.
Look,
That
look,
would
he's
be a
teasing
real
us. He's
challenge.
teasing us drinking a beer.
I got tears coming out of my eyes now.
Is it still the same amount of heat? And
Yes. I don't know why. It's lingering like crazy. If anything, it's gotten worse. Like, I feel like my face is numb right here.
Yeah, you're definitely
Do
sweating.
you feel numb?
No, not really. It's hot, but it's
Oh, it's not fair. You got that cream. I think that's helping you. Oh my gosh. Why don't the Germans eat more spicy stuff? Holy cow. Are you getting used to it? I feel like I might now be getting used to it. But I'm still going numb.
it's still burning.
Yeah.
So, Bobby, what's your favorite color?
Orange. What's yours?
I don't know.
What's the best place you've ever been?
Probably orange or blue. Best place I've ever been to? Wellsville, Ohio.
Where?
Really?
Where I ride my dirt bike.
Oh.
Mine's definitely St. Lucia.
I've been to Punta Cana, but I still like Wellsville better.
That's a spice talking.
No, I actually love Wellsville.
I don't have a favorite color.
Deja, do you want to try one of these?
Nah.
I got
good.
two more.
It's really not hot at all, really.
Look
I
at
don't-
your dad. He has no
I
problem.
don't eat spicy food really, so it would be extremely hot.
If I watched you right now, I'd be like, you know, I could probably do this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're doing it.
Yeah, but look at me.
No, you settled.
Yeah, a little
You
bit.
have settled down.
A little bit. I'm still numb right
I
here.
can't even finish this cake.
I'm not numb. It's just like I ate something hot in my mouth. My mouth is burning. You know?
Oh man, it's still burning. My lips are pretty bad too,
You
though.
gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah.
All right, cool. I wanna see it.
My lips are burning pretty bad.
Yeah, my lips are burning. My mouth is burning. I mean, it's bearable.
My eyes are really bad. I don't know. Are my eyes still red?
I swear.
You had tears
I think I've eaten a raw habanero, and I thought it was hotter than this before, but I could be wrong.
Oh, my eyes. I ate.
Your ears are a little less red now. They were almost red.
I took a bite out of one of our raw ghost peppers, and that was the
Was
worst.
it hotter?
No. No.
See, I didn't think I'd be able to handle a ghost pepper.
Well, when I took a bite out of it, I was like, oh, I spit it out. I couldn't take it. The problem is this didn't hit me right away.
Yeah.
Like, I ate this and I was like, oh, this isn't going to be that bad. And then it just, like,
It
crazy.
seemed like when we were chewing on it, it tasted like, but it didn't. The heat really didn't hit you. And then once I swallowed it, and then the heat started building from there.
Is it hurting your stomach at all?
No,
Time at,
I mean,
clock turned off.
I can actually go 10 minutes without a problem. Like right now, I'm way on the downhill right
I'm
now.
on the. I can tell I'm on the downhill, but I'm so sick and tired of the burn.
So we're like 7.5.
I'm tired of the burn. I just want it to go
We
away.
came down to see.
They ate the chip.
Did you see the chip already?
Uh-huh.
Are you just waiting the
Bobby
10 minutes?
cried.
Yeah.
These days
Yeah,
it's running.
we're about 8 minutes in.
Your eyes are
We're,
shut.
Already?
We're 8 minutes, yeah.
Watch the
You're
camera
up.
right there.
Your eyes are even all red, John.
Are they?
Which I didn't think that it would
Sorry.
bother you.
My eyes ready?
It's the hottest thing I've ever had.
It's
By-
hot.
It's by
It's
far.
definitely hot. I think I handled it though.
Whoever's cake that is, watch Trooper will eat it.
It must be.
I am gonna have a piece
Yeah.
of cake after this.
Oh my god, that cake is so good.
Yeah, it is really.
It's gonna be.
Did you get a new couch?
It's gonna be more for.
I don't remember this couch.
That's
down here.
you're asking questions while this.
It's more. I'm gonna eat the
Well,
cake more
I'm
for
trying
a
to-
utility
Judy gave
purpose.
us this
Okay, I was
couch.
gonna say I'm trying to distract you.
Flavor.
What are we
Trying
at?
to
8.5?
distract you so that
How
you
you
don't
doing,
notice.
Trooper?
Yeah.
And Sally, did you say hi to the camera?
It's
That's
going,
it's going on YouTube.
Oh, it's on YouTube.
Yeah, it's going on YouTube.
It
Oh,
definitely.
I'm sorry, I walked up right in front of us.
I
It's
did
definitely
too.
got less.
I stood in front of it for like.
I don't
10
think it was that bad.
I was talking,
It's,
so I. Oh well.
It was definitely hot, but I expected. I was scared, but I expected. I
I'm
expected
looking
more.
at it. I'm very used to this, I think.
This is really hot.
I've been eating
not
nothing
this.
but
This is
ghost
hot.
pepper stuff for
He
a
just
while
doesn't
now.
show it.
Where's the whole?
Yeah, he
did
doesn't
you
show
eat the
it
whole
anywhere near
entire
as much as I
chip?
do.
How big was it?
Like the size of a big Dorito.
Yeah, it's a big,
Okay.
big
It's
tortilla.
the size of a Dorito, and
That big.
it tastes terrible.
It does. It tastes
Oh,
terrible.
it's not good either.
No.
No, it's not even good.
Oh, I thought it was like a potato chip.
Me too. I thought it would be good.
It's a black potato chip. It looked like a potato chip that you found underneath your couch from like 1984.
Or a black bean
Yeah.
tortilla chip.
I should have held it up there actually and showed the
Yeah.
camera.
Oh, you did, didn't you?
No.
You did.
Did I?
Yeah, I remember
don't
you
even
did.
remember now.
See, Bob's in total.
And Sally,
He's in total memory
my
loss.
face went numb right here, like totally
Oh, really?
numb. Yeah, I've never
Really?
felt that before.
Are you numb?
He never got it.
No, I'm
No?
all right.
No?
His ears.
Remember
were
when we did the
rough,
chicken
too.
wings? How bad Bobby was?
Yeah.
he
Oh
was
yeah,
like
I
that,
remember. But your eyes are red though.
Bobby's
Your
eyes
eyes weren't red last
Bobby's
time.
eyes
Bobby's
were
eyes
swollen.
really are. Your eyes are red,
3,
John.
2, 1. That's 10 minutes.
Holy cow!
That was
10
a
minutes.
quick 10 minutes.
Yeah, you want to cut the
Yeah.
present? See you,
I
everybody.
could go another 20 minutes.